繼續都係我哋2024年把 MC 嘅題目啦，咁啊嚟到第24條啦，咁啊24條啦都要根據翻我哋頭先23條啦所講嘅 scenario 啦個情景去答啦，咁一齊望一望條題目啦。咁啊題目就講到 The investigation was designed to show the density of the touch receptors of the skin. What is the assumption of this investigation？佢就問到你今次個 assumption 究竟係啲乜嘢咧？咁啊同學仔究竟乜嘢叫 assumption 咧？即係中文嘅同學仔即係假設啦。咁呢條題目究竟個假設係啲乜嘢咧？咁首先要知道 assumption 呢個字眼嘅意思先。其實 assumption 喺我哋嘅 science 嚟講，其實即係代表有啲嘢會影響到我哋嘅實驗結果，但我哋控制唔到，即係我哋 remove 唔到呢一個 factor。即使我哋知道呢樣嘢會影響到我哋實驗嘅一啲結果啦，但係我哋因為人為嘅因素或者係一啲天然嘅因素，我哋不能夠去 remove，不能夠離。即係不能夠將佢移除得到，咁呢個就係 assumption，所以我哋就唯有假設佢係正確啦。咁啊，我哋逐個答案睇啦。咁啊，A，the subjects do not cheat by picking out the blindfold，即係講緊話我哋嗰啲實驗嘅人啦，佢哋唔會自己靜雞雞望嘅。咁其實呢一個係咪個 assumption 咧？呢個唔係喎，因為呢一樣嘢我哋可以阻止得到噶嘛。我哋可以提佢哋，或者去揾一啲 subject 係好有誠信嘅，即係令到確保我哋嘅實驗一定係唔會有人偷睇得到啦。咁所以其實呢個係唔啱嘅喎，呢個純粹係一個 control 嚟嘅喎，就唔係我哋嘅 assumption，咁所以亦都唔正確啦。咁啊去到 part boy 啦喎，the fingertip is more sensitive than the other part of the body。咁其實呢一個亦都唔正確嘅喎，因為呢一個係咩嚟㗎？呢個其實係我哋實驗可能得出嚟嘅結果咯，即係我哋個 fingertip，我哋嘅手指。對比我哋另外嗰三個部位，包括我哋嘅手掌啦、手背啦，同埋我哋嘅上臂嚟講，佢可能就係 more sensitive，更加敏感嘅。咁呢個我哋可能得出嘅實驗結果，亦都唔係我哋嘅 assumption 啦，咁所以唔揀得。咁啊，part C 啦喎，a closer distance means that the density of the touch receptor is higher，即係話我哋用呢個 caliper 量度嘅距離越近嘅時候，即係代表我哋啲 touch receptor 啲感覺嘅細胞就個密度就越多。咁其實呢一個亦都係我哋實驗可能得出嘅結果啊嘛，咁所以其實亦都唔係我哋嘅 assumption 咯，咁所以亦都唔啱啦。咁啊，久而久之，其實個答案就係我哋嘅 dot，咁啊都解釋埋點解啦。咁啊，dot 個答案就講到 the two touch sensations are produced by two separated touch receptors without overlapping。咁呢樣嘢咪就我哋 assume 緊佢係正確嘅嘢咯，即係其實我哋成日都用呢個 caliper 去問嗰個受訪者啦，即係個 subject。究竟你感覺到一點啊定兩點？其實如果嗰個兩點嘅 sensation 係一定要由兩個嘅 touch receptor 出現，咁我哋先會感受到兩點噶嘛。如果一個 touch receptor 係可以 responsible for 幾個 touch 嘅 sensation 嘅時候，咁呢樣嘢咪唔正確咯，係咪？咁所以我哋咪要 assume 呢樣嘢。哦，其實咧原來個 two touch sensation 即係兩點嘅感受，其實係由嚟自兩個唔同嘅 touch receptor without overlapping，咁呢個先係準確噶嘛。咁呢一樣嘢，我哋有冇得人為上或者天然上去改變佢啊？係冇噶嘛，因為呢一樣嘢你天生係咁就係咁噶啦嘛。咁所以我哋只能夠 assume 呢樣嘢係正確。咁所以題目問你嘅 assumption of this investigation 係啲乜嘢，咁就自然係我哋 part dog 嘅呢個答案啦。咁啊，望一望啦，究竟當年有幾多同學仔答啱呢條題目啦？咁啊，第24條揀 dot 嘅同學仔有46%，咁其實亦都唔係話太差啦，但係都唔係好好啦。即係我 expect 呢啲題目亦都唔係啲難嘅題目，所以應該 at least 50% 以上嘅同學仔都要答得啱啦。咁啊，希望你係呢個46%啦。